Litecoin price prediction 2021. Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. Litecoin has broken out of that $200 zone. As long as Litecoin don't break below 170, 180 now, I think Litecoin head towards $300 and $400 zones. In this video, guys, I'll be sharing with you my technical analysis price prediction. I'll be sharing with you the latest news for Litecoin, some of the really positive news for Litecoin which could help Litecoin price go parabolic. And more importantly, guys, I'll be sharing with you the exact trade setup you can use to buy Litecoin. Anyone can make predictions, but knowing when to buy and sell and actually make money is completely different. So at the end of the video, I'll be showing with you exactly where I'm looking to buy Litecoin, my targets, stop loss, and all that good stuff. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I recommend you go watch my previous Litecoin video. I shared with you the Litecoin trade setup on a breakout of 150. It broke out really nicely and hit 180. That was my target. I took some profit. I said there was going to be some consolidation, and this broke out. Hopefully you've long Litecoin if you watch my previous videos, and then you're looking to buy on a pullback. I myself is looking to buy on a pullback. In the YouTube videos, guys, I share with you exactly the levels I'm looking to buy and sell, similar to this video. In the Rockstar Trading group, I can post exactly when I'm longing, taking profits and all that good stuff. This was just before it was breaking out. You could look to buy some Litecoin and then add on a pullback, and then now I'm looking for a pullback. You can see now the zone I'm looking for to buy more Litecoin. If you are interested in the Rockstar Trading group, I'll leave the links below. Like I said, in the YouTube videos, I share with you which coin I'm buying, I'm selling. In the Rockstar Trading group, I can share with you my trade strategies. I teach a trade. You get access to my trading strategy, live streams, Telegram group. Myself and other people are posting about other small altcoins that are pumping. I'll leave the links below if you're interested. Let's come back to Litecoin now. So the question now is this a fake out, or is this going to be a carry on into the bull move? Again, no one knows for 100% what's going to happen. All we can do is take trades. So it's broken out of that zone. I said with you the breakout level was 190, where the trade will happen in the Rockstar Trading group. Now we're looking to buy pullback. So if you've missed that breakout, you can look to buy some Litecoin now, and as long as Litecoin don't break below 170, 180, I am bullish on Litecoin. If that does happen, I'll try to post on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button. I'll post in the community section, let you guys know that Litecoin is bearish, but at the moment I'm bullish on Litecoin, and I think Litecoin head towards $280 to $300 on next, and then we'll see what happens if Bitcoin goes parabolic. I think Litecoin smashes through all-time highs, and I'll share with you my price predictions later on in the video. But again, it will depend a lot on Bitcoin. Short time frame, this is the main target I'm looking for. Looking at news, guys, again, lots of people are just talking about the price breaking out, and I don't try to listen to the normal public news that you can find on Google, Facebook, Twitter. I want to know actually fundamentally what's going on. If you check news, they always post positive bullish news after things break out. They're not going to post things before, when a coin is breaking out. They'll post when it's broken out, so you can't really make money following them. But the three key news that could help Litecoin potentially keep going higher is the supply barrier ahead. So like the in and out of money around the price IOMP metric showed that more than 120k addresses had previously purchased nearly 4.7 LTC between 183 and 1885. So this is for me, I think this is quite a bullish note, as you can see, and I think that helped. That is a bullish case for Litecoin. So we really don't want Litecoin to break below 180, because you can see where people have been buying 183 to 188. So that's a key zone. So I really don't want Litecoin breaking below 200 ideally, and definitely not below 180. The other key news is the update on Mimblewimble. So again, I highly recommend you follow this guy. Rebase wallet changes on top of V0.21, cleaner key address generation and MGM management. Working closely with our friends again, if you want the full detail, read this post. David Burkett goes into a lot more detail. These are just the highlights. And starting release process for 0.21 with Taproot. So these are the really key updates, the higher level updates. The core 0.2 release is around September, October with Taproot. The Quirks Lab and Mimblewimble audit has been completed. And the Mimblewimble release code 2.2 is looking at end of October. And Mimblewimble is now fully funded. So there's lots of key updates from Litecoin, and I think that has definitely helped push the price up. A really key thing I'm going to share with you. Everyone wants to know about the, what the Litecoin dollar price will do. One of the things I look at is Litecoin BTC, and Litecoin BTC is at support now. Litecoin BTC really needs to hold this support. If Litecoin BTC breaks this red zone, I think Litecoin will go a lot lower, same as when we broke here, and Litecoin against BTC dropped 60%. So if you held BTC over Litecoin, you would have not lost that 60%. If you held Litecoin over BTC, you're down 60%. So you really don't want to be holding Litecoin when Litecoin breaks down. But at the moment it's at support, so I'm bullish on Litecoin. And with Litecoin halving next year, I think Litecoin's gonna rally long term. I'm not sure about Litecoin. I need to see a lot more. Again, I'm not hating on the project. I used to work with Litecoin project back in 2017. All the drama with LitePay and Charlie Lee selling all his coins, and I didn't really, it left a bad taste in my mouth. Litecoin needs to do something significantly different and increase the adoption for me to start being bullish on Litecoin fundamentally. But charting wise, I think Litecoin could easily do again 200-300% against BTC, and against USD can pump a lot more. But what we don't want to see is Litecoin breaking that 3000 sats against BTC. If that happens, the trade setups I'm talking about, I won't be looked to take it. So that's the news update. Coming back to the price, what we look for in the Rockstar Trading Group is a pullback. Again, please make sure you have a strategy. I'll leave the links below to check out my strategy if you are interested. You can trial us for less than $30, but please make sure you have a strategy, knowing when to buy, when to sell, and don't FOMO buy. Don't have an exit plan and lose all your money. Yes, if you believe in a project, you hodl. I've got some hodlers in my group. They've longed Solana, like FTM, some of the coins I've talked about previously, and these are and Java, some of the small cap 100x crazy coins. You can make money, but if you're trading, again, it's really important to take profit. So the key level I'm looking for now is Litecoin to buy that pullback to 2. Let me get my Fibonacci tool out. I usually look to buy the pullback to 50% 618 zone, so I'm looking at a pullback just below 200, 196 to 185, I'll say. And as long as we're holding above 180, 170, I am bullish on that Litecoin. So again, you can have a wide stop loss. I personally have a stop loss below 150, but again, I've got my alert set. If we start breaking below 180, 170 and don't quickly bounce up, I will look to exit. So that's the trade setup. Again, it's really important to look at the trade setup. I'll look to sell some in 20, 30, about 20% bounce, and then I'll move my stop loss, let it run, same as how we traded Litecoin here. I really recommend you go watch Litecoin video, that the last Litecoin video that I made. If you really want to learn how I trade from back in 2017, I only take few trades a year. Litecoin halving, we made crazy amounts of money, but I sold into Litecoin halving. I recommend you go watch that video. And Cardano, there might be a sell the news event there with Litecoin halving. Hopefully Litecoin breaks out into new highs around some crazy numbers, 1,000 or some higher, and then we can look to take profit then. So that's the trade setup. Target wise, where I look to take profit is around $300. That's my initial target for Litecoin now. And then same as 180, I'll wait for consolidation and look to buy. And then previous all-time highs, I think Litecoin heads towards $400 to $500 zone near the end of the year. That's my target in the next few months. Short time frame, I think Litecoin heads towards $300. If Bitcoin carries on pumping, I expect Litecoin to hit near all-time highs. Again, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If that breaks, I'll make get my Fibonacci tool out, look at market cap and target higher prices in Litecoin. But I think Litecoin to $300 and $400-$500 in the next few months is a realistic target. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, guys, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and share your thoughts on Litecoin. Do you like Litecoin? What is your price prediction for Litecoin? Comment below your price prediction for Litecoin. And do you like Litecoin, Mimblewimble, Litecoin fundamentally in the future? Do you like this project fundamentally? Prove me wrong. If there's some cool stuff happening with Litecoin, comment below and let's have a discussion. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, price predictions, comment below that. If you are interested in the Rockstar Trading Group, you can check out the group. And again, if you haven't enjoyed the video, that's fine as well. Thank you very much for watching anyway. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Go Litecoin.